Oh, well, everybody's heard about the bird.
Oh my God, this is Surfin' Bird by the Trashmen. This is my favorite song of all time. Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. But bird's a word, oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. Well, a bird is a word, oh, well, a bird, bird. But bird's a word, oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. But bird's a word, oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. Well, a bird is a word. Chris, don't you know about the bird? Make everybody knows that the bird is the word. Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. The bird is the word. Hey, guy behind the counter. The bird is the word. Hey, frightened little child. The bird is the word. Lady on the toilet. The bird is the word. Hey, don't you know about the bird?
Sure, everybody knows that the bird is the word.
Oh, well, a bird, bird. But bird's a word, oh, well, a bird. Again, I love repetition.
Peter, will you give that song a rest? You've been playing it ever since we got home.
No way, Lois. It's my new favorite thing in the world.
Ah!
Bird, 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 bird. But bird's a word, oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. Well, a bird is a word.
Ryan, don't!
Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. But bird's a word, oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. But bird's a word, oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. But bird's a word, oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. But bird's a word, Brian, don't you know about the bird? Well, Peter's gonna tell you about the bird, oh, well, a bird, bird. But bird's a word, oh, well, a bird. Surfing.
Oh my God, Peter, are you all right?
Papa uma mau mau, 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 papa uma mau, papa uma mau, papa uma mau, papa uma. Well, a bird, bird, bird. But bird's a word, well, a bird, bird, bird. But bird's a word, well, a bird, bird, bird. But bird's a word, well, a bird, bird, bird. But bird's a word, well, a bird, bird. But bird's a word.
Fuck!
Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. But bird's a word, well, a bird, bird, bird. But bird's a word, well, a bird, bird, bird. But bird's a word.
The ghetto, taking short steps, 1 foot at a time, and keep my head low and never let go. Cause if I let go, then I'll be spineless. I'm going insane.
I think my mind just goes out of control and touch on subjects motherfuckers